Today we are doing stepping forward with the ward-off upper body position. First, let's open and warm up with lifting water, shifting the weight to the right, stepping out to the left. Hands float up. Inhale. Hands sink down. Exhale. Breathing in. Breathing out. Inhale up. Inhale down. Now just relax and flow like water. You can close your eyes if you feel safe. Relaxing down into our structure, floating up, sinking down. Inhale up, exhale down. Breathing in, breathing out. Inhale up, exhale down. Let the hands float down and then flow back up and hold a ball. Rotate the ball. The right hand is on top, the left hand is on the bottom. Just mirror me. Don't worry about left and right. Just look at me as your reflection in the mirror. Turn to the side. Top hand goes down, bottom hand goes up as we turn to the front. Top hand stays out there, turning to the other side. Inhale. Exhale. This is ward off. Add to that the stepping, shifting our weight, turning out the toe, stepping up, stepping out, shifting our weight forward, shifting our weight back into Wuji position. Holding the ball on the side. Stepping up, stepping out, one hand going up, one hand going down, warding off. Forward, back. Other side. Warding off, forward, and back. Breathing in, breathing out. Leaving the hand up there to become the top of the ball as we turn side to side, forward, back, side to side. Breathing in, breathing out. Inhale, ward off, exhale. Breathing in, holding the ball, breathing out, breathing in, holding the ball, breathing out. Inhale, exhale, breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. Let's walk a couple of steps this way, going from side to side, stepping forward. Inhale, hold the ball. Exhale, step forward, ward off. Weight to the front, weight to the back. Turn the torso and the whole body, including the toe, up. Hold the ball. Step out. Exhale. Forward and back. Hold the ball. Step out. Ward off. Step back. Cross. Separate. drop. Let's try a different direction, walking the length of a yoga mat. Open. Lifting water. Hands sink down. Shift the weight to the right. Turn out the left. Up and out. Ward off. Forward and back, shifting of the weight. Holding the ball on the side. Stepping out, warding off. Forward. Back. Up. Out. Forward. Back. Up. Out. Cross. Separate. Sink. Turning around. Opening. Lifting water. Turning and holding the ball to the side. Stepping out, warding off. Forward, back. Shifting of weight. Up. Out. From the back. Shift the weight. Open. Warding off.